Hello dear students. So today it is class for the PUC second year business study. The class for the PUC second year business study. Studies. As you all know, the subject code is 27. In the today's class, dear students, I am going to discuss the new topic, new chapter, that is principles of management. Dear students, so this is a new chapter. So the title is the principles of management. So that is the reason I am standing before the camera along with my camera technician, Mr. Sanmesh. So let us discuss, dear students. In this title, we can observe two words. So one is principle, then another one is management. Principle or principles. Let us discuss, dear students, this one regarding principles and management. About this management, we have already discussed a lot of subjects in that earlier chapter and earlier videos. So now I am going to discuss before this the term principles. As you all know, dear students, being a commerce students, being a common sense oriented students, the term principle, it is the guidelines, the suggestions or advices, or you can say the principles or rules and regulations that say about what to do and what not to do to the management. The principles are the guidelines or rules and regulations. So and so on and so forth. These are the rules and regulations, and overall we can say, so the term principle says about what to do and what not to do to reach the desired destiny. So as you all know, dear students, in an organization, every organization has its own intention, own the theme, or you can say own destination, that is to earn more profit. That is to earn profit. For the fulfillment of that theme or the intention, the organization depends on the management. So these principles help us to how to reach the desired destiny of an organization with help of these principles towards the management. So keep in mind, dear students, as I said, the term management we have discussed in the lot of subjects, lot of materials in the previous videos. So today it is principles of management. So look here. In the principles of management, dear students, principles of management are the broad and general guidelines for managerial decision making. So principles are the managerial decision making. Principles are for the managerial decision making to reach the desired destiny of an organization. So as well as the decision making and behavior as well as the action. Keep in mind, dear students, the management principles are derived from observation, analysis, experimental studies and personal experiences of the managers. So here altogether we can get this one, principles of management. As I said earlier, the principles to managers, guidelines to managers to reach the organizational goal, that is earning profit, that is more and more profit. So after this, let us discuss nature of principles of management. Dear students, nature of principles of management. So here I would like to write nature of principles of management. So as you all know, dear students, nature, it means this one characteristics or this one the features of the principles of management. The nature of principles of management can be described in the following points. Those are, the first one is universal applicability. The first point, that is universal applicability, the first one. The next, that is general guidelines, then the next, that is third one, formed by practice and experimentation Then lastly, that is fourth one, flexible. These are the 4 points which are covered while studying regarding the nature of the principles of management. So dear students, keep in mind, so nature, or you can say the characteristics or the features of principles of management. As you all know, the nature or characteristics which include both the merits as well as the drawbacks or limitations of the required study, that is principles of management. So here in the nature, the title nature of principles of management, you can see both the aspects regarding the importance as well as this one drawbacks. So togetherly we can say them as a nature. So among that, the first one, that is universal applicability. That is, they can be applied in all types of organizations, business as well as non-business, small as well as large enterprises. So principles must be applicable in any or every organization, so whether it may be a business organization or non-business organization, or you can say the non-trading concern. So whether it is a small organization or it is a big business organization, so the principles of management should be universal applicability. So then the next, that is general guidelines. Keep in mind, dear students, here the author has provided, they are general guidelines to action and decision making. However, they do not provide ready-made solutions as the business environment is ever changing or dynamic. So these are the general guidelines, these are the general rules, these are the general regulations, and this one what we call the guidelines. So but not the ready-made solutions for every problem in an organization. So for that, so we can say, so the principles of management are the general guidelines. The next one, that is formed by practice and experimentation. So while before forming these principles, so regarding this management, which are formed by practice and experimentation. So without practice, as you all know, the practice makes man perfect. So as well as the experimentation, these two terms are very essential while forming these principles of management. Then the lastly, dear students, flexible. So in an organization, our intention is to reach the organizational goal. So for reaching the organizational goal, we need the term management and its principles. So those are very essential in the form of flexible. So flexible means we can adjust at the situation or market conditions. So they can be adapted and modified by the practicing managers as per the demands of the situations, as they are man-made principles. They are man-made principles. Dear students, these principles are very essential, that is flexible. So which are convenient to as per the market conditions. after completing this nature of principles of management, the very next topic, that is significance of this one, the principles of management. What exactly is the significance, dear students? Keep in mind, the significance of principles of management can be derived from their utility, which is explained like this. The significance means its importance. So while forming these principles, so we should keep in mind regarding for reaching the organization goals. So by adopting these principles in principles of management in an organization, so we can easily reach the organizational goal. So that for that the title, the very next title, that is significance of principles of management. This is next title, significance of principles of management. So here there are few significance, or you can say the importance of principles of management. Providing managers with useful insights into reality. So I'll write it on the board. The first one, that is providing managers with useful insights into reality. This is the first significant for the principles of management. Let us discuss this. Let us take the point, that is next point of this one, significance of principles of management. Optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. And this is second one, dear students. Let us see the third point, scientific decisions. The third one is scientific decisions. And finally, this is the fourth one, fulfilling social responsibilities. Fulfilling social responsibilities. Like this, these are the few points of this title, that is significance of principles of management. So by studying these points, we will come to know regarding how much importance of principles of management in an organizations. So let us discuss in brief, dear students, a very important point. These are the very important points. So while studying this one, the significance of the principles of management. So look here, the first point, first significant, that is providing managers with useful insights into reality. So what it exactly include? So look here, management principles guide managers to take right decision. So here the principles, the intention of the principles are to the managers, they are to take the right decision in an organization while reaching the desired destination of an organization. So look here, the management principles guide managers to take right decision at the right time by improving their knowledge. As well, look here, ability and understanding of various managerial situations and circumstances. So here, the managers must take the proper or optimum decisions at the right time and the right decision while reaching the desired destiny of an organization. So let us discuss the next point, that is optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. This is an art of the managers to the optimum utilization of available resources and its effective utilization in an organization. So dear students, management principles facilitate optimum use of resources by coordinating the physical, financial and human resources. These are very essential resources in an organization, so which are interacting for reaching the desired destination of an organization. These are the important resources which are available in an organization, and it's optimum utilization and their effective utilization also important. Look here, as I said earlier, management principles facilitate optimum use of resources by coordinating the physical, financial and human resources. So they also help in better administration by discouraging personal prejudice and adopting an objective approach. So as I said, so this term, that is optimum utilization of resources and effective administration, are the important for the while studying the significance of principles of management. Look here, scientific decisions. Scientific decisions. So, dear students, keep in mind whenever we are trying to reach our desired destiny, we need to take the proper decisions. That too, the scientific decisions in an organization or in anywhere. So, that is very essential. The term, the scientific decision. Decisions based on management principles tend to be more realistic, balanced and free from personal bias. So then only we can say these decisions are the scientific decisions. So with the help of these scientific decisions we can reach our here the business, the organizational the destinations. The last point, that is fulfilling social responsibility. So we being the business people, we are surviving in the society. So we are here for the sake of society only. So we need to survive in the society. So whenever we are expecting more amount of profit and by providing the services to the society, so we need to obedient, we need to provide the useful services to the society also. So look here, dear students, fulfilling social responsibilities, principles of management not only help in achieving organizational goal. This line is very important. So principles of management, so not only the reaching the organizational goal, but also guide managers in performing social responsibilities. Then only we can say these are the significance of principles of management. For the sake example, equity and fair remuneration are the live and better examples for this fulfilling social responsibilities. So like this, we have covered this portion for the today's class. So this is significance of the principles of management. So dear students, thank you for watching.